Welcome to momedaram. In this video, we will see the differences between enumeration, iterator and list iterator. Enumeration, iterator, list iterator provides different ways to retrieve the elements from the collection object. Now we will see the differences between these three interfaces with respect to these properties. Enumeration is introduced in JDK 1.0 version. Iterator and ListIterator are introduced in JDK 1.2 version. This enumeration interface is applicable only for legacy classes, that is vector, stack, hash table. Enumeration is applicable only for these classes. Iterator is applicable for all collection classes, that is vector, stack, hash table, array list, linked list, vector, and all collection classes this iterator is available. List iterator. This list iterator is applicable only for list implemented classes, that is array list, linked list, vector. So this list iterator is applicable only for list implemented classes. Next is momentum, that is the iteration direction. By using enumeration, we can able to iterate only one direction, that is forward direction. That is enumeration starts the iterating from 0th index. By using iterator also, we can able to perform single direction iteration. This iterator also starts the traversing from 0th index, that is first element it will start and it will iterate all the elements. By using list iterator, we can able to traverse the list objects in the both directions, that is forward direction and backward direction. Next, how to get object. By using elements method, we can able to get the enumeration object. This element method is available in all the legacy classes, that is in vector class, stack class and hash table. This elements method will be there. How we will get this enumeration object means, if we consider example vector v is equals to new vector. So we have created a vector object, and by using vector object we can get enumeration object, that is v dot elements method. The iterator object we will get by using iterator method, and this iterator method will be available in all collection classes. So by using iterator method, we can able to create the iterator. Here we are using array list class. So by using array list object, we are creating the iterator object. List iterator. List iterator object we can create by using list iterator method. So this list iterator method available in all list implemented classes. Now the question is, how these interfaces will get to know how they will be traversed from forward direction or backward direction. So this element method is a single method. That means there is no overloaded method. We can able to create enumeration object by using only this elements method. So when you use this elements method, it will start indexing from 0th index, and iterator also is single method. There is no overloaded method. So we can able to create iterator object using iterator method. There is no overloaded method. So when you use this iterator method, by default it will point to the 0th element, so that it will start indexing from 0th index. But this list iterator has two overloaded method, that is no argument method, and one is int argument method, that is list iterator. When you use this method, by default it will be traversed from 0th index. Another method list iterator is array list dot for example array list dot list iterator of int index. If you specify the index position, from there it will start indexing either forward direction or backward direction. It will start iterating from that position. So list iterator, there are two list iterator methods will be there, that is overloaded methods is there. Based on that it will be decided whether it needs to be traversed as a forward direction or backward direction. Next is operations. By using enumerations, just we can able to read the objects. We cannot able to perform any other operations. Just we can able to read. That is, we can able to traverse the elements one by one. By using iterator, we can able to read and we can able to remove the objects also. When you are traversing, if you don't like any, if you don't want any objects, that time we can able to remove also. By using list iterator, we can able to read, we can able to remove, and we can able to replace the value. In addition, we can able to add the new objects also. So by using list iterator, we can able to perform all code operations like adding, removing, updating, and deleting also. This is enumeration interface has two methods to perform read operation. We have two methods, has more elements and has next element. These are two methods, and iterator has three methods, has next and next and remove method. By using has next and next, we can able to perform the iteration, and the remove method is used to perform the remove operation. And the list iterator has 9 methods, has next index. By using these methods, we can able to traverse, that is we can able to iterate the forward direction, has previous and previous index. By using these three methods, we can able to iterate as a backward direction. By using remove method, we can able to remove the object. By using set method, we can able to replace the current object, and by using add method, we can able to add the elements or objects to the list iterator. So this is the main differences between enumeration, iterator and list iterator. This is all about this video. Thanks for watching.